Hey, this is Katy Jeter with the Public Affairs Program here on KNDY. This week I sat down with Tyler Holloman with the Frontier Development Group. He recently got a grant called the Rooms Grant.
This grant is a rooms grant through the Department of Commerce. It stands for Residential Opportunities on Main Street, I believe. Don't quote me on that. And we were able to work with Wayne and One Marysville, since they're a Main Street community, to qualify the project for this grant opportunity.
The grant covers the residential portion of the project.
The grant will cover actual renovation and construction costs of the upper level improvements, so the residential portion of the project.
Tyler and his team are towards the end of the first step.
We are currently working through the first steps, which is a design phase. So we're very close to having that completed. We've already been through the State Historic Preservation Office approval, as well as the National Park Service approval. So we've cleared some major hurdles on the design aspect of the project. But we're still working through some final details to really get those ready for what we call a construction set or a permit set to actually pull permits. So that's kind of all of that's included in step one. So we're towards the very end of that. Once we get those plans completely finalized, we will pull the permits and then move into the construction phase.
The project is expected to be done within 12 months of when construction starts.
This will be at minimum a 12-month construction process. We are aiming to get everything done in 12 months once construction actually starts. But we are just based on contractor availability and material availability. We could realistically anticipate this being more like a 12 to 18 month process.
There's not an exact date on when the construction should start.
We are hopeful that we will be able to start yet this year. We don't have a set date yet. It'll be sometime potentially late fall, but we're hopeful that we are able to start in the calendar year 25.
With all projects, there comes challenges.
Structurally, I would rate it excellent. So structurally, we've worked on some buildings in the past that have had significant masonry or structural issues or roof issues. That's not the case here. The challenge with this space is just the magnitude of the square feet that we're dealing with, and so that's what's really driving up the construction costs. There's
several ways to stay informed of this project.
Several ways. Community members are always welcome to reach out to our office. You can find all of our contact information online at frontierdev.group at our website. The city manager is well informed, as well as Wayne, so people are always welcome to reach out to them or contact me directly. You're welcome to call our office, and I'm always happy to give updates on the project.
I would like to thank Tyler Holloman for being my guest on this weekend's Public Affairs. If you would like to listen again, you can always go to kndyradio.com. Thank you for listening. This has been Katy Jeter with the Public Affairs Program here on KNDY.